Morning, Sakaza. I'm going to clean your toilet. That box there. Got a cabbage for you, Sakaza. Cabbage. Ready to have your cabbage? That's a tunnel you've got there from Cork. Come and eat your cabbage then. Sook, sook. Cabbage. Noisy outside. Come and get your cabbage then. Sakaza. Where's cabbage? What date is it? Wednesday the 30th of October. Good morning. You enjoying your mirror? Where's your mirror? Both of you. Looking in the mirror this morning. Sakaza. Come and get your cabbage. Yes, I'm just about to give you some fresh water from the bottle. Peek-a-boo-boo. Well, you know the door's opened. How about if I close the door, then maybe you'll come. Gotta give you some fresh water. Sakaza. In there's mineral water, not tap water. This one's tap water. She seems to like the tap water more than the mineral water. Sakaza. Where are you? Sakaza. Cabbage. Cabbage, cabbage. She's thinking I'm going to catch her. Instead of making the usual tea, I'm making a hot compost tea. So this is the hot compost made of peaches. So peaches already been, makes a nice alternative from mango sap. It's nice and warm, beautifully fragranced, organic, no added sugar. And it's just like a nice warm juicy drink. As I wait for my pet to have her cabbage, I'm going to change her water. Good morning, pet. Pet bird. Morning. So my peach is going to have added honey, or sweet syrup. I just go like this. Oh, it's Ronnie Honey. Lovely sweet peaches. Are you exercising? Enjoying the birds outside? Morning. That's your mirror? Yeah. Yeah, I know. Morning. Morning. Did you have your bird bath? Had a bird bath? Had a bed bath. Bed bath. Oh, she's gone behind playing hide and seek. Peek-a-boo-boo. Peek-a-boo-boo. Yeah, playing slide. Yeah. So, Gaza, when are you going to have this cabbage? I'm enjoying this. Hallelujah. Compost peach. Yeah, I know. Yeah, haven't quite woken up yet, have we? Play your games, hide and seek. So, Kaza, I'm still waiting for you. I don't want to disturb your bottle area until you've gone through that tunnel, your tunnel toy. So, Kaza, that's a beautiful sweet red cabbage, ripe, fresh. Come and get it then. You tell her. Oh, one for you, one for me. She loves cabbage. Once she gets her teeth in that, she just doesn't want me looking at her. You tell her. Yeah. I'm not having cups of coffee. No. It's like she's pretending to be a tortoise. My second cup mug. My birds are getting used to the sound. They're not. They want to know: is it safe? Is it safe? That's a new sound you're listening to. I'm going ooh, rule, rule, rule. Honey. I'm gonna have 3 of these to detox, and then 3 of them in the evening, and just a small pasta meal. That's what I have, like 2 handfuls of pasta. Yeah, maybe 2.5 handfuls of pasta. Or is it 3? Is it 3? Was it 3.5? Are you yawning? I saw you. Did I wake you up at 4 in the morning? You early bird. Yes. My sweet Musa, Musa, Masa, Masa, Musa, Masa, Masa, Mosa. Yeah, sweeter than a banana. My little yellow mango. Yeah. You gonna jump? Show me how you jump. Or you gonna fly? What's it gonna be? Oh, someone's eating up there on top. Oh my goodness. Gonna have some breakfast. Yeah, you're having breakfast. I'm watching you have breakfast, right? Yeah. Oh, what was that? What was that? Is it a pecking order? Is it a pecking order? Trying to position this phone without the right equipment is very difficult. Okay. Let's try this. Yeah, can you hear birds outside? Eating your breakfast. Mosa, mosa. Mosa, mosa. Mosa, mosa. Mosa, mosa. Your breakfast up there. That drilling in first thing in the morning is not nice. We want to hide behind our wings. No. I'm loving this. And they're cleaning themselves this morning. Natural behavior of satisfaction, contentment. Mosa, mosa. Mosa, mosa. Compot. Compot. Can you say compot? Compot. Finger licking. Nature's pace. Nature's paste. Are you having a bed bath? There's a wet bath over here. Mosa, mosa. Oh, just had a post come through. I've hidden you from the postman. I've hidden you from the creepy letterbox. You can't see it. Protecting you from the letterbox. It is creepy. Looks like a tongue. When the letters go through, looks like a tongue sticking out. Pay my bill, pay my bill. The third cup of compote. Oh my good God, this is so yummy. Praise be to Jesus. Praise be to my Christ, my risen Lord. In him is light and there's no darkness at all. Yummy, yummy. Is your mama bird doing a drink? You playing tickles? Is that your tickle game? Ooh, someone's ruffling my feathers. Someone's ruffling feathers. Yeah, you're ruffling your feather. Is there a ruffle there? Have I won the prize? Or is it only the horrible boasters? Hello, my little one. I see you. Yes. Sukaza's being a stubborn mule again. If not a horse, a reindeer, a jackal with horns. She knows I'm going to give her a new bottle. That's why she's not approaching the cabbage. So she's too clever, even though I've closed the gate. Sukaza has decided to use a fennel. Did I say that right? And I'm going to add organic compost in there for Sukaza. A small bit of water. And I'm going to have that there in there. It's coming in big chunks. And I'm going to have that in there for 3 days. I think she'll finish it in 3 days. As it's got natural flavour, I'm not putting any honey in there for her. I put honey in the lemon when she has lemon, tiny drop. She's not a bee, she's a rabbit. So that's it. Now I'm going to give it a good mix. And it's not too acidic, this vitamin. It's still got vitamin C. Give it a good shake. I shake it every morning. She'll finish that within 3 days, I'm guaranteeing. Maybe she'll come now that she has the bottle there and the gate is shut. Have her red cabbage. She knows I have accomplished the mission. The bottle has returned to the original place routinely. Just going to taste. Oh, this tastes different. She seems to think because I'm shining the light at her that I'm suddenly going to jump out and grab her out of there. So if I turn the lights off, maybe that'll make a difference. Sukaza. She's not convinced. I haven't persuaded her that I'm not going to jump out and surprise her. Suit yourself then. I'm going to sit further away at a distance from you. That's what you want. Suit yourself. Scaredy rabbit, scaredy bunny sitting on the doormat. Sukaza. Is it still a no-no? Are you... Sukaza means judge in Serbo-Croat language. Kazni. Kaznim te. Ja ću da te kaznim. Are you judging me wrongly, Sukaza? I've only given you the syringe once a month. That's not animal cruelty. So stop accusing me if you are a bad survivor. I hope to God you're not accusing me, Sukaza. I have to say a prayer for you. So I have more challenge with my disability increased with the new bird, a new hamster, and a rabbit. But she is lonely because in nature they always gather together. They're a social creature. And I think that's why she's keeping a grudge, because Domitia's not there anymore. And I dropped that box when I was carrying it. I shouldn't have carried such a heavy box. And it fell on top of her sister and she died. So I've learnt my lesson, never carry anything heavy like that little box. It hurt me and it hurt Demesia. She refused to listen and obey me. Are you two arguing? Look, I've switched off the light now. I had switched off the light. Playing hide and seek. Hide and seek. Where did you go? I know. Oh my God, ouch. Ouch. Ouch, ouch. I sound like a rabbit now. I need medical. It's been denied to me. Unless I go privately, which is a nightmare. Oh my goodness. Oh. 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 Yeah. Too much is being privatized. Too much. I think they're looking to establish who's the more dominant one. And when they feel nervous or unsettled, or they have to just clean, which is their routine, they prune their feathers. No, I don't have any cats. That's coming from outside. And dogs. Oh, I thought it was a cat. It was a child screaming.